Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix can't access Instagram photos on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Change screen time passcode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Tap on photos. On the photos page, select allow changes. Solution number 2. Check privacy setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset location and privacy. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset setting to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.